Hi everybody, this is just a short video on how to quickly clean your engine. As you can see, there's a lot of dust, so I'm just gonna do a quick clean, not really using a lot of water, just using this cleaning product that you can use inside your car. So you just give it a good spray around. Note that I am not spraying the internal engine, I'm just spraying outside quickly. It's a little bit windy today. Normally it's not advisable to do this when it's windy, so I'm just doing it anyway. See how it's already looking better that way. See the difference is already there. Let's spray it with a good spray. Yep. Gotta treat your car good. Take all this leaves out. I didn't mention that, but this cloth that I'm using is a little bit moist. I soaked it in water and then I squeezed it, so it easily takes out the dirt or the dust. See over there. Quick spray. Wipe it off. Voila. Make sure you don't spray too much. Try to avoid it getting towards electrical connections and stuff like that. Yeah. Right. It's looking much better. Okay. And then I would just take this that protects the color, so it makes it stays shiny. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What I'm doing now is adding some protection. That will make it, we'll clean it up some more, and then shine it and add some conditioning. Yeah. Give it a quick shine, and that's it. In less than no time looking like brand new. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna make another video on how to actually clean the engine underneath. But for now, just to make it look presentable from the outside, when you open your engine or when you take your engine for oil change, it doesn't look messy, and at least it gives the people that are working on your car some good feeling that are working on the clean car. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.